Hi guys, so for this week's nail art design I've left my ring finger with black, the rest of the nails I painted white. Then I'm going to use a makeup sponge in black and a bronze, and I'm using one of these sponges that are kind of more porous so that it gives more of the sort of marbled effect that I'm looking for on the nail. I'm only doing this about halfway down. Then using a black striper, we're going to do the line across the middle. So onto the thumbnail, we're going to apply this triangle down at the cuticle area. So on the ring finger, we're going to create this pattern that you see here. To start off with, in the centre of the nail, we're going to place one of these gems. So next we're going to use these gold stickers, and as you can see I've used two and placed it around the gemstone.